Welcome to Element Dental Lab. Come on in. This is our classroom where we teach dental CE. Here's our dental chair where we host live CE courses. This is our disinfection area. Here's our check-in station. And here's our check-out station. Here's one of our 3D printers. And here are more 3D printers. Here's our titanium mill. These are our zirconia mills. This is our finishing station with spots for 4 people. Here's our design room. This is where we center our full arches. Here's our basketball hoop. I hope you enjoyed your tour of Element Dental Lab.